Okay, today is about number. So we're gonna study from 0 to 10 today, the basic. So let's go. 0 is 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0. Okay? 0 or 0. Got it. Next one. Number 1 is 1. 1. Okay? And number 2. E. E. Number 3. 3. 3. Number 4. 4. 4. Number 5. 5. 5. Number 6. 6. 6. Number 7. 7. 7. Number 8. 8. 8. Number 9. 9. 9. Number 10. 10. 10. You got it? So let's check one by one. 0. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. So this is Korean mobile phone number. It starts with 010, okay? And then this is very important, as you know. If you meet some Korean and you feel like, yeah, he or she is kind of a very good person, you just want to contact him, right? So you can ask the number, or you can be asked your number as well. So basically, we should know how to tell phone number, right? So let's just try it. First one, 010-1232-5783. This is your phone number. How can you tell? When we say phone number, actually we studied 0 has 2 different pronunciation, 0 or 0, right? So the thing you have to know, for phone number, we use only 0, okay? So the first one is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, 3. Now I'm not gonna write down the answer because you just try to understand with listening only, okay? And then just at the end of this video I will write down all answers here. So first time you just try to say the number and then try to understand with listening only. And second one, 010-3524-4634. 010-3524-4634. 4634 010 3524 4634. Okay, next one. 01049823520. Can you say it by yourself? 010 4982 3520. Okay? The last one. 0103251 2352. 010 3251 2352. Okay? Great job today. Speed is very important because we Korean never say like that speed, right? So you have to practice it by yourself, okay? Just a second, I forgot to tell you one. This is 에. So in Korean, 에, okay? So I will read one by one again with 에, okay? So what's your phone number? 전화번호가 뭐예요? 010에 1232에 5783이에요. 전화번호가 뭐예요? 010에 3524에 4634예요. 전화번호가 뭐예요? 010에 4982에 3520이에요. 전화번호가 뭐예요? 010에 3251에 2352예요. Okay, great job today. And then I give you one more question for your homework. So please do it by yourself. And let's check it out with me next time. Thanks for watching today. See you next time. Bye bye.